Okay, this is very simplified diagram of heart, and this diagram is not for examination, not for exam, because this is simplified diagram and I made this just to show you or to make you very clear how blood passes from different chambers of heart. Okay, look at this. Let's start from this right hand side of the heart, the superior vena cava, and this is inferior vena cava. Both are connected to right auricle. At first, the deoxygenated blood of our head, neck and upper part of the body, arms, deoxygenated blood comes to right auricle through superior vena cava. And in the same way, from the lower part of the body, that is leg, waist, etc., the deoxygenated blood comes to this right auricle through inferior vena cava. And when this right auricle is full of blood, then it contracts. And when it contracts, then this valve opens. That is called tricuspid valve. This valve is called tricuspid valve. When this tricuspid valve opens, then what happens? When this tricuspid valve opens, then blood enters into this chamber. This is right ventricle. And when right ventricle is full of blood, then it contracts. When this right ventricle contracts, at this time, this valve, tricuspid valve, remains closed. It prevents backflow of blood to right auricle. So, blood moves to this path and it opens this pulmonary valve and goes to pulmonary artery, and from pulmonary artery it goes to lungs. And in lungs, oxygen is taken into the blood and carbon dioxide contained in the deoxygenated blood is thrown out. There is exchange of gases in the lungs. Oxygen is taken into the blood and carbon dioxide is thrown out from the blood. Thus, the blood becomes oxygenated. And this oxygenated blood again returns back to the heart through pulmonary veins. When it comes back to this pulmonary veins, then it enters into this left auricle. And when left auricle is full of blood, then it contracts and blood passes to this left ventricle. And at this time, again, when ventricle contracts, then what happens? This bicuspid valve remains closed. It doesn't allow blood to go back to left auricle. It remains closed. It prevents backflow of blood to left auricle. So blood moves towards this direction and it opens aortic valve, and now blood enters to aorta, and from aorta it goes to different parts of the body, human body. Aorta is the biggest artery of human body and it is branched to very small arteries. They are called arterioles, and this arteriole carries oxygenated blood to each and every part of the body.